Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to remove text from video in CapCut Mobile. Alright, let's begin. Alright, so let's begin by opening the CapCut app on your device. Tap on Start a new project or open an existing one. Next, import the video that contains the text you want to remove into your timeline. Once it's there, you'll need to duplicate your video clip. Simply select the clip, look for the duplicate option in the bottom menu bar, and tap on it. This will create two identical clips in your project. Now, select the duplicated clip and turn it into an overlay. To do this, scroll through the bottom toolbar until you find Overlay, then tap on it. This will move your duplicated clip underneath the original one. After that, it's time for the magic. You'll be using a mask to hide the text. Scroll through the menu again and tap on Mask. Choose a mask shape that best fits the text area you want to remove. Usually a rectangle or a circle works well. Resize and reposition the mask so that it covers the unwanted text. Once you've positioned the mask correctly, tap on it and look for the feather option. Use the feather slider to soften the edges of your mask and blend it smoothly with the rest of the video. This helps the edited area look more natural and less noticeable. After you've fine-tuned everything, tap on the export button to save your finished clip to your gallery. And that's it. So that's basically how you can remove text from video in CapCut Mobile. And that's it for this video. If you found this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.